What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Traxxas Sledge. I'm gonna test out this wheelie bar. Just want to run it real quick. Install the wheelie bar. See that? Install some lights in the rear. Also install the battery strap. All right, this is my first real run with this. I mean, it controls it though. Gotta have good control on it. This thing is a beast. The wheelie bar helps out though, save the wing. Boom! That steering is really weak though. Yeah, I need a front bumper too, because this is annoying. I am hard on gears, man. Yeah, the wheelie bar, it's working out pretty good there. If I keep it straight with these damn tires. Yeah, I like better control over the car, especially. Yeah, this grass high as hell. Can't even see the dang on car. Yeah, this VLX system in here is really weak, man. If you want to get some real speeds out of here, you got to definitely switch up the system. Switch up the tires. It's not super slow, but I'm surprised these tires is lasting, to be honest with you. I knew I was gonna kill that battery. I knew that was gonna happen. Yeah, the grass bash was too much. I killed the battery. Yeah, I like that wheelie bar though. It's just I gotta switch switch the tires out. I might get the back flips on there. But I kind of wanted to have its own look, so I don't know what I'm going to do about that. I might do the back flips. Put the back flips and put orange around the rim so to match the body. I mean, match the body and the wheelie bar and the wing. But only thing about this low KV motor and ESC, you ain't got to worry about overheating. I don't even got a fan on it yet, and it's still cool. So that's the only upside. Hope you enjoyed that video. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and I'm out.